Okay, this is the puppies exploring the outdoors for the first time. Here they come. They're coming out of their room. This is their first experience. We've got the carport all done for them. Three of them have given up. But two of them.
Mister, come on, out, come on, puppies, puppies. Come on in, get one.
This is all a strange environment for them. Even for Mishka, she's not sure what to do. Mishka, it's okay. It's okay, Mishka. Mishka, it's okay. It's okay. It must be a little nerve-wracking for Mishka as well.
You can pee and poo as much as you like, have you?
Well, we want them to pee or poo on the grass, so I'm going to put a couple of puppy pads on there to attract them to it. Hey, that's not a toy. No. Alright, I'm going to turn this off because I want to enjoy the experience as well and not just be behind the camera.